Neil McAvoy, the Shadow Minister for Sport in Wales. I'm pleased to be nominated by Craig Richards to do the 22 Presser Challenge, which is to draw attention to suicide prevention for veterans through education. A really good cause. I wish you could have made it less than 22, Craig, but there we go. I'd like to nominate Non Evans, and Non will be back in training after this holiday. Ffrin ap Iorwerth, my Plaid Cymru colleague, and Fairwater boy, and Cardiff City legend, Joe Redley. Okay? Right, count us in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.